Welcome, today I'm with AirPods 3 and I'll show you how you can unpair them from your Android phone. That's very simple. So you have to open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. You can make it by going to this Bluetooth settings by notification panel. So you have to click and hold the icon of the Bluetooth, then enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and after that you have to be sure that they are connected. So as you can see, when you open the case or put them into the ears, you will be connected. Next you have to tap on the settings icon and click to disconnect and then to forget. Confirm, and that's it. As you can see, that's how easy we can unpair them from our Android smartphone. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.